Eggs in here, kids. This is awesome.
Is this it? Nobody here found it already.
It's not in any drawers.
This room's gonna be a mess.
It doesn't matter. I just want $10.
Everybody wants the $10.
It's not behind the blinds.
Is it in her crib? Give me one more clue. Oh, I think I found it. Oh.
Yep.
There it is!
Oh, I found it.
Abby found it! Yay! Show it to us, Abs. No, open it. How much is it?
$10 and
Oh, wow.
50 cents.
Golden egg. Everybody clap for Abby. Woohoo! Yay!
That's such a good idea. Who came up with that? It was Riley's idea.
Riley's idea.
Oh my god.
Happy birthday, Riley.